Good morning, everyone. Brandon from RC Flyer here with Black Friday deals. Welcome to Black Friday. Hope everybody has had a great Thanksgiving. Now it's time for business. Horizon Hobbies is having a huge sale right now. It's a flash sale, so let's get into it and see these major deals. All right, let's get to the doorbusters, guys. All right. Big savings. If you guys are in the market for the 1/4 Losi Pro Moto MX, dude, it's $400. That is a steal. They also have the newer Supermoto, which is even more, $250 off, $300, guys. So check it out. You need to see this. Some of the other good, awesome deals right here. If you guys are looking for a 1/8 scale Ripper, here you go, the Typhon Mega. Awesome. I own this plane, this UMX Slow Ultra, at 119. It's ready to fly, all that you need. Great Christmas present for any kids that are interested in getting into flying. It's a really easy flyer. And to go along with that, this charger, a G2 smart charger, 55 watt, on sale for $50 right now. Charges 1, 2, 3, and 4S capabilities. So check it out, guys. Also on the web page, let's check out what else they have for sales here. So if we go here to just the regular, again, they've got this SCX 24 for $80. That's a steal, guys. If you guys are into the mini crawler scene like I am, this is, you just got to get this. Great thing. Or if you're kids, this is a great thing for kids. So yeah, check out the website. My link's on this thing. Check out the website. My link is in the descriptions. If you guys do enjoy flying RCs, this iX14 Plus, I have this remote. It's awesome, and at $250 off, I wish I was able to buy this now because that is a awesome deal. As well as some other chargers and some bigger items. I'm gonna say right now, the best presents on the market. Let's get to rock crawlers, because this is the big scene everybody wants right now. Everybody's into micro crawlers. They're inexpensive, they're fun, they're so capable, and they're so modified. You can modify these things and put almost $1,000 into them, or just keep them stock. Again, here it is, guys, $80 for this. Great deal. But the other things that are coming out that are great for the micro crawler scene are the brand new, and I don't see them here, of course. We'll have to go to the Axial site. Again, there it is. It's on sale, but right here. New releases. Your local RC stores are starting to get them in. Starting to get the Broncos in. The Jeeps, I believe, are coming next month, the end of next month. So this is probably not something for Christmas. They may come sooner, I heard, but we'll see. But these are in. They say next shipment January 26th, but I know like my local hobby store, Anderson RC in North Carolina, has them in stock. And for $100, this is a great gift, a 130 scale. You got to check it out. These things are flying off the shelves, and they're very capable. So if you are interested, contact your local hobby store. Again, I always preach, support your local hobby store, because if not, you're going to have to always order online, and no one wants to do that. But yeah, this comes with everything ready to run, and I imagine that the big hitters, aftermarket hitters, are ready to go with these and get some aftermarket parts sooner than later. So check this out, guys. Great deal here on micro crawlers. Another good micro crawler. Red Cat just came out with their Ascent 32. And this thing is awesome. I got two. I got one that's fully customized. Check out some of my videos and in the description. And also, these things are great. They're off the shelf, not even a sale price, guys. 132 scale, $80. Ready to run. Awesome, awesome, awesome. These are super fun. Brushed system, but very capable, and Injora already has all the aftermarket parts you need, and then there's some other companies that have done some 3D printing of frames and wheels. So check it out, guys, because this is just amazing. Great deals, under $100. Good thing to get for Christmas presents here. Red Cat, check them out. Other than that, all right, guys, for all your aftermarket needs, check out Injora. These guys are awesome. They got a 10% off store-wide right now, site-wide, if you will. A lot of the parts do come from China, so they probably will be delayed. You may get them before Christmas. But again, these are great deals. They got some flash sales going, so check out Injora.com. Some of the stuff you can get on Amazon of Injora parts. And another good site that you guys can check out that I love is RC Crawler Craze. Check these guys out. These are the guys that make the aftermarket frames for a lot of things. They have, they do a lot of 3D printing, and this is, they're making the 32s, the Red Cat 32s I just went over. I just bought one of their frames. It's phenomenal. They also make wheels for it. Right here, again, $14.99 for 4 wheels. They're amazing. They fit right on. All you have to do is use a stock tire. All you have to do is buy the 1-inch brass rings from Injora, and you have weighted wheels on a 32 scale. All right, guys, just want to conclude. Check out Horizon Hobbies. They have super deals for Black Friday today only. So get on, order while supplies last. And again, if you like this video, hit that like and subscribe button. Until the next one, thanks for watching.